Imagine a world where AI doesn't just respond to your voice, but sees the world around you. Thanks to Google DeepMind's Project Astra, that world is becoming a reality. This isn't just another voice assistant. Project Astra is a leap forward into a smarter, more human-like AI. This AI observes the environment, understands visual information, and processes context in real time. It remembers visual details, connects them to context, and responds in real time. This AI doesn't just process words, it processes everything: sounds, sights, and patterns. It's like giving an AI brain, eyes, and memory. Most AI assistants today can only respond to voice commands, but Astra is more than that. It sees, it hears, and it remembers. When you speak to Astra, it's not just listening, it's looking around through a camera, analyzing what it sees, and combining that with what you say. In Google's demo, Astra was able to identify objects, remember where something was placed, and even answer questions about it later. That's not just smart, that's contextual intelligence. It means Astra has memory. It remembers what it saw and connects it to the conversation in real time. This creates a more natural, fluid interaction. It feels less like talking to a machine and more like interacting with a helpful assistant who understands the world around you. It bridges the gap between digital and physical. It does this by combining advanced technologies, language, memory, and reasoning into one powerful AI. This is what sets Astra apart. It's not reacting, it's understanding. In real-world demonstrations, Project Astra showcases its remarkable capabilities through everyday scenarios. Imagine pointing your phone at a cluttered room and watching as Astra highlights and names every object in real time, from keys under a magazine to a charging cable behind the couch. A user can usually ask, "Where did I leave my phone?" and Astra immediately recalls the last known location, pulling up a visual from moments earlier. It's not just reactive, it's proactive. When asked about nearby coffee shops, Astra not only understands the question, but uses visual cues, maps, and prior data to deliver precise results, all in seconds. This isn't just artificial intelligence, it's situational awareness. In the kitchen, Astra becomes your co-chef. It identifies ingredients laid out on the counter, suggests recipes, and walks you through steps with natural conversational guidance. Whether you're missing basil or unsure about cooking time, Astra keeps up effortlessly. These live interactions aren't scripted. They're fluid, intelligent, and deeply contextual, pushing AI beyond just understanding language into understanding life as it happens. The core breakthrough lies in how Astra integrates multiple AI technologies together. Computer vision helps it interpret the world around it. Speech recognition and generation make the conversation feel natural. And neural networks enable it to tie everything together, visually, verbally, and logically. Imagine Astra identifying a misplaced item through its camera, conversing with you to understand what you're looking for, and then guiding you to find it. This seamless integration of technologies makes Astra not just an assistant, but a true companion in our daily lives. This harmony between different AI disciplines is what sets Astra apart, making it a versatile and powerful tool for a multitude of applications. Astra is not just a collection of features, it's an ecosystem of AI capabilities working in unison to provide a cohesive and intuitive user experience. This is the future of AI, and it's here today with Google's Project Astra. But what really stands out is its memory. Astra remembers past interactions, visual inputs, and even the flow of conversation. This allows it to hold context and deliver smarter, more relevant responses over time. Imagine asking Astra for a restaurant recommendation, and it not only remembers your past preferences, but also considers recent dietary changes you've mentioned. This kind of contextual memory makes interactions with Astra feel more natural and human-like. It's as if you're conversing with a friend who truly understands you. This extraordinary capability elevates Astra from a mere assistant to a thoughtful companion. With Astra, the future of AI is not just about performing tasks, but about creating meaningful interactions through the power of memory. The implications are huge. Assistants like Astra could revolutionize how we interact with technology, at home, at work, or even in healthcare and education. Imagine asking your AI what happened earlier in a meeting, or having it help you navigate a busy street while tracking your surroundings in real time. In healthcare, Astra could assist doctors by recalling patient history and suggesting treatments based on the latest medical research. In education, it could provide personalized tutoring, adapting to each student's learning pace and style. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks incredibly promising with Astra at the forefront. As we move forward, the line between human and machine intelligence blurs, opening up new avenues for innovation and collaboration. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of Project Astra, it's essential to understand that this is no longer science fiction. It's happening now. In retail, Astra is already enhancing customer experiences by providing real-time inventory updates and personalized shopping recommendations. In agriculture, Astra's advanced image recognition helps farmers monitor crop health and optimize yields. In the corporate world, Astra is transforming project management by tracking progress and predicting potential delays. The transportation sector is also seeing the benefits, with Astra aiding in route optimization and vehicle maintenance. Moreover, in the entertainment industry, Astra is curating personalized content, ensuring viewers find exactly what they're looking for. These real-world applications demonstrate that Astra is not just a concept, but a revolutionary tool shaping our present and future. This is no longer science fiction, it's happening now. As we marvel at the immense potential of Project Astra, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations and challenges that come with such powerful technology. Privacy remains a significant concern, with Astra's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of personal data. Ensuring that this information is protected and used responsibly is paramount. There's also the question of bias. AI systems like Astra must be designed to operate fairly and justly without perpetuating existing societal biases. Additionally, the impact on employment cannot be ignored. While Astra creates efficiencies and new opportunities, it also poses the risk of job displacement in various sectors. We must also consider the ethical deployment of Astra in different contexts, ensuring it is used to enhance human life and not to infringe upon fundamental rights or freedoms. These challenges are not insurmountable, but they require careful thought, robust policies, and continuous dialogue among technologists, policymakers, and society at large. As we step into this new era, let us do so with a commitment to ethical integrity and a collective responsibility to harness Astra's capabilities for the greater good. Subscribe to the AI Prosperity Hub and consider becoming a channel member to support our mission. Now, witness the power of Astra in action.